Chiegni kendo nyako Ramogi wadhi nyime kod weche manyien mag migago. Od bura mar Senet ochako ayanga chenro mar twak ewi paro mar thicho oko e apisi Gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza. Gavana Mwangaza nothich oko e apisi gi MCAs ma kaunti ma Meru ewi mano magiwacho ni tiyo marach gi apisi mare. Wawinjie kaka twak makamano dhi mbele e od bura mar Senet.
The governor will appear on this podium taking the posture of an innocent and vulnerable victim of toxic masculinity, harmful patriarchy, gender stereotyping, political schemes. That's what our response tells you. It is back to "It Wasn't Me" by Shaggy. And the governor, if you want to confirm it, at page 2 of our response, she tells you this motion will not be here. It is a scheme by our deputy who is power hungry.
We shall be asking you to please crack the whip against the governor for the interest of Meru. You will be faced with two competing interests. One, devolution to work in Meru for the interest of Meru, and number two, to help the governor save her private job. Good thing is that will be public interest. You'll be confronted with the public interest against a private interest.
When you look at ground one, in particular, count one, my apologies, count one, ground C, you would say a claim that the governor paid full salary and benefits to Dr. Ntoiti, Paul Mwaki, Kenneth Kimathi Mbae, and Joseph Kature Mbae. So you're accused of contempt of court in one count. You're accused of paying salary and benefits in another count. First, the Senate will reflect on the question whether the function of employment of these employees and their remuneration is a function of the governor within the county government structure. But for now, let me just inform you that the act of paying these 5 people is actually in compliance with that very order.